Howdy y'all, we're back in the Hampton Inn in Waco, Texas on a multi-hotel and state trip. And I'll give you a tour of room 431. Let's open the door up. Alright. So let's go to the door. Security department. We got a working deadbolt. Alright. Whatever the modern equivalent of a latch lock is. And a fire map that you can read. 600 for a max room rate. That's pretty high, I think. But everything's going up, so hotels would go up too. Alright. Now this is kind of now it's to the bathroom. This is kind of separating from the wall. Alright, so let's look at the sink. It works. Good water pressure. Alright. The floor is a little scuffy. I don't know if the camera shows it up. Shows scuffs up. There it does one. But the commode is clean. I did take a crap in it, so that's why it's a little dirty. And yeah, poop. Everyone poops. So the bathtub is splish splash clean. We have good water pressure. So that's the plus. It is a water pick head. So let's check out the closet. You've got the ironing board, your extra linens for a pull-out sofa, which we don't have in this room. And this entire thing's immaculate. No hairs, no nothing. So they are taking good care of this, some of this room. So let's check out other parts.
Co-founded fashion label.
You've got the coffee maker, single cup. These are very easy to keep clean. I think, and it's now the standard in the hotel industry. Coffee supplies. I don't drink coffee, so that's good for me. I don't really care. Now Hampton Inn, with the micro fridge, they do something weird. And it's really difficult to get into the fridge. You have to open this door with the hinges. The hinges are on the left. And you think the hinges on the left also for this, so you reach this to open it. No, the hinges are on the right. But as you can see, the micro fridge is clean, so it is defrosted, so there's no complaints there. Alright. Alright. This is clean, so that's good. Very clean. Alright. This works, so that's good. Alright, here's the window. You can see that Fairfield Inn there with some of the letters burnt out. Maybe we'll do a room tour there soon. I hope so. This P-Tech unit is controlled by the wall unit or the wall thermostat, but it is pumping out warm air, and they're cleaning the filters. That's good. Room so far is pretty good. Now this is the first day we're here. I did take a nap, so that's why this is up. Like this room, this bed, clean. I mean, even the pillows. No hair, no blood, no bodily fluids. So they are keeping it clean. Alright, so let's see what else.
The company's not even worth $375,000 yet.
We had to get a room because we're on as I stated before, the thing is, the thing, the AC unit, the PTAC, is controlled by this wall thermostat. So I think Hampton Inn's doing that now with a lot of their rooms. So as mentioned before, we had to get a room for we're going on vacation, and this is day 1 of a 3-day trip. So I'll catch you at another hotel in this trip, and hopefully I'll get an elevator tour or elevator video of the elevators here, which are improved. Let me tell you, they were making noise. I think they were a little wheel or something, but they've maintained it well. They've fixed it, and they ride well. So, excuse me, kind of having like some crud going on. So let's. My voice, I feel, is kind of, my throat's kind of not feeling well. So, catch you in the next video, which will be a Drury Inn in Amarillo, Texas. So, see ya.